Alright, so for this level we're gonna have to select the squares in the correct order from least to greatest. And so if you have different numbers, which will probably be the case, what you want to do is just calculate each of them and write them down. So let me show you how to calculate each of these numbers. And we're gonna do it using Google. So let's start with the square root, and in my case it's the square root of 4. So what you want to type in is square root of, and then the number, in my case it's 4. And as you can see, here is a calculator that will solve it for you. So in this case it's 2. So let's continue with the next one, e to the power of 5. So let me just Google it like so, e to the power of 5. And here is the result. And I'm just gonna write down all of these results on a piece of paper. And so then for the next one, it's 2 pi divided by 3. 2 times pi divided by 3. And here's the result. Make sure it did set the parentheses correctly here, like you can see right there. So then let's do this one for exclamation mark. So just like that, the number followed by an exclamation mark. And that should also pull up the calculator with the result 24 in my case. Alright, so let's continue with this one, 3/8. So just do 3/8. So 3 divided by 8, and you'll get the result. Then this right here is of course infinity, so no need to calculate that one, that's always going to be the greatest. Then for this one with the sum sign, it's going to be read the following way, and that's how we're going to Google it as well. So sigma I equals 1 to 6 I. So let me type that into Google. So sigma I equals 1 to 6 I. So here, as you can see, we get an explanation of what we have to do, and it also gives us the result, which is 21 in this case. So let's do this one right here next. So that's an integral. So we're going to type it into Google the following way. Integral from 2 to 9 of x dx. So from the lower number to the higher number, and then x dx. Integral from 2 to 9 of x dx. So right here we also get an answer, and it should be 33 in my case. And then last but not least, we have a logarithm. And so how we're going to type it into Google is logarithm of the number that's in parentheses, so 3 in my case, to base, which is this number right here, 3. So logarithm of 3 to base 3. And so right here we get the response, and in my case that is 1. And so now using our notes, we can just select it in the right order. So this is 0.375, then the next bigger number is 1, then 2, and then 2.094, and then 21, 24, 33, 148.41, and infinity. And just like that, we've solved this level.